Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix microphone not working on Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll use a Slack huddle to quickly confirm that Slack can see and use your microphone, and we'll pick the correct input device so people can hear you clearly. Start by opening Slack and heading to any channel where you feel comfortable testing. It can be a team channel or even a private space you use for quick checks. Using a channel keeps everything simple because huddles are available right from there, and you won't need to set up a full meeting to verify your mic. Once you're in the channel, look for the huddles option. Depending on your Slack layout, you'll see a small headphone or waveform style icon associated with the channel. Click Huddles to bring up the quick audio panel. Huddles are lightweight audio sessions, so they're perfect for testing without the overhead of a scheduled call. Next, click Start Huddle. Slack may prompt you with a Start a Huddle button to confirm. Go ahead and click that. In some views, you might see the Start Huddle option appear more than once as Slack opens the panel and gets you ready to join. If you're asked again, simply click Start Huddle to proceed. In a moment, you should see the huddle controls appear at the bottom or side of your Slack window. With the huddle controls visible, find the microphone control. If the mic icon shows a slash, you're muted. Click it to unmute. Then, open the microphone device menu. This may appear as a small arrow, caret, or settings option next to the mic icon. Clicking it will display a list of microphones that Slack detects on your computer. From this list, select the microphone that is okay for you, the device you actually want to use. You might see options like a built-in laptop microphone, a USB microphone, or a headset. Choose the one that matches the hardware you're speaking into. After you select it, speak normally. You should notice Slack's live indication that your voice is being picked up, such as activity around your profile or a subtle level indicator. That visual feedback confirms your mic is working with Slack. That's it. By opening a channel, launching a huddle, unmuting, and selecting the correct microphone, you've aligned Slack with the right input device and resolved most mic-related issues inside the app. If you ever switch headsets or plug in a new mic, repeat these same steps to verify your setup quickly.